Seniors, did you know your legs are usually the first to show signs of aging? Weak legs can lead to falls, loss of independence, and low energy, but the good news is you can fight back naturally. In this video, I'll reveal 6 powerful foods that rebuild leg strength, improve mobility, and help you stay active and strong. Stay until the end. The last food is the most surprising and effective. One of the most noticeable shifts that comes with age is often a gradual reduction in our muscle mass, particularly in our legs. This natural weakening isn't just a cosmetic change. It can significantly affect our balance, making us less stable on our feet and diminishing our overall mobility and precious independence. Maintaining robust leg strength is not merely about staying active. It's profoundly important for safeguarding against falls, which unfortunately stand as a leading cause of injury for older adults. When our muscles are strong, they provide the enhanced coordination and stability we need for confident walking, and they grant us greater ease in tackling everyday actions, whether it's simply rising from a chair or gracefully ascending a flight of stairs. While physical activity is absolutely foundational for leg health, the pivotal role of nutrition cannot be overstated in preserving and rebuilding this vital muscle mass. A thoughtfully chosen diet furnishes our bodies with the essential nutrients required for muscle growth, efficient recovery, and optimal function. Consuming foods that are generously rich in high-quality proteins, crucial vitamins, beneficial minerals, and healthy fats can powerfully assist in maintaining our muscle strength, significantly elevating our energy levels, and notably improving our overall mobility. In this very special presentation, we're going to uncover 6 foundational foods that possess the power to fortify the legs of older adults. These incredible foods are packed with key nutrients that are vital for preserving healthy muscle mass, fortifying our bones, and fostering the comprehensive health of our joints. Sweet potatoes are truly one of nature's most remarkably nutritious gifts, offering a sustained burst of energy to our muscles. Abundant in complex carbohydrates, these root vegetables deliver energy steadily, preventing those abrupt spikes and sharp declines in blood sugar that can leave us feeling drained. This gradual energy release guarantees a constant fuel supply for our muscles, which is absolutely critical for continuous activities such as extended walks or confidently climbing stairs. Beyond their energy-providing power, the rich fiber content within sweet potatoes greatly aids our digestion and enhances the absorption of all the vital nutrients that contribute to robust muscle health. An additional immense advantage of sweet potatoes is their high concentration of vitamin A, a formidable antioxidant that acts as a shield, vigilantly protecting our muscles against oxidative damage. This protective action is crucial in decelerating the age-related muscle loss that can occur over time. Furthermore, vitamin A also plays a supportive role in muscle recovery after engaging in any physical activity, helping our bodies repair and rebuild. Oats stand out as an incredibly beneficial grain for nurturing muscle health, especially for older adults. They are loaded with low glycemic index carbohydrates, meaning they release energy in a slow, steady stream without causing any sudden jumps in blood sugar levels. This consistent energy supply is truly invaluable for maintaining endurance throughout your daily activities, ensuring you have the vigor to accomplish what you desire. Moreover, oats serve as an exceptional plant-based source of protein, which is absolutely essential for both the rebuilding and ongoing maintenance of muscle tissue. This unassuming grain also provides critical minerals such as iron, vital for efficient oxygen transport throughout your blood to your working muscles, and magnesium, a key player in ensuring proper muscle contraction and relaxation, effectively helping to prevent uncomfortable cramps that can sometimes affect older individuals. Avocado offers a treasury of healthy fats, crucially supporting optimal muscle function and overall well-being. This creamy fruit is an outstanding source of monounsaturated fats, which are renowned for their ability to help reduce inflammation throughout the body and specifically protect our joints from the inevitable wear and tear that comes with daily life. Avocados are also brimming with potassium, an absolutely essential mineral for precise muscle control, smooth contractions, and significantly helping to prevent those bothersome muscle cramps that can be a common concern among older adults. Another star component of avocado is its generous vitamin E content. As a powerful antioxidant, vitamin E diligently protects our delicate muscle cells from oxidative damage, thereby helping to slow down the natural process of muscle loss that is often associated with aging, allowing you to maintain your strength longer. Berries, including delightful strawberries, vibrant blueberries, succulent raspberries, and rich blackberries, are veritable powerhouses of antioxidants, ranking among the most antioxidant-rich foods available. These remarkable compounds act like tiny defenders within your body, actively combating oxidative stress, which, if unchecked, can lead to the gradual degradation of muscle tissue and a noticeable decline in strength over time. Beyond their antioxidant prowess, berries are celebrated for their potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can play a significant role in reducing general aches and pains in both your joints and muscles, offering greater comfort and ease of movement. The high vitamin C content found in berries is also absolutely essential for the robust production of collagen, a key protein that is fundamental to the health and integrity of your tendons, ligaments, and indeed all of your muscles, keeping them supple and strong. Salmon is widely recognized as one of the very best sources of high-quality protein available, making it an invaluable food for older adults. It delivers all the essential amino acids required for the ongoing maintenance and repair of muscle tissue, ensuring your body has the building blocks it needs. Beyond its protein content, salmon is exceptionally rich in omega-3 fatty acids, celebrated for their potent anti-inflammatory benefits that can significantly help to reduce both muscle and joint pain, fostering greater comfort in movement. These vital omega-3s are also profoundly essential for maintaining excellent cardiovascular health, which in turn ensures that your blood circulates efficiently, delivering ample oxygen and crucial nutrients directly to your muscles. This optimized delivery greatly enhances muscle function and effectively helps in preventing fatigue, allowing you to remain active and energized. Eggs are a truly remarkable nutritional powerhouse, offering a complete and exceptional source of high-quality protein. Each egg contains all the essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth and efficient recovery after activity, making them a foundational food for strength. Additionally, eggs are abundant in vitamin D, a nutrient of paramount importance not only for robust bone health, but also for the proper functioning of our muscles. The presence of choline in eggs also plays a profoundly vital role in facilitating seamless communication between our nerves and muscles, ensuring that crucial signals are transmitted accurately for excellent motor coordination. This perfect harmony is absolutely essential for preventing potential falls and for confidently maintaining your mobility, giving you peace of mind with every step. Incorporating these 6 phenomenal foods into your regular diet can undeniably make a monumental difference in the strength and mobility of your legs, powerfully assisting older adults in maintaining their independence and truly enhancing their overall quality of life. Finally, let's spotlight eggs. Truly a nutritional powerhouse meticulously designed to support your muscles. Eggs stand as a complete source of impeccably high-quality protein, containing every single essential amino acid that is utterly necessary for robust muscle growth and swift, efficient recovery. Furthermore, they are abundantly rich in vitamin D, a nutrient of immense importance for both solid bone health and optimal muscle function. The choline found generously within eggs assumes a vital role in fostering impeccable communication between your nerves and muscles, diligently ensuring that neurological signals are transmitted flawlessly. This perfect transmission is absolutely fundamental for maintaining superb motor coordination, a crucial factor in actively preventing falls and confidently preserving your valuable mobility.